Welcome back to Bike Beats, your go-to destination for the latest in electric mobility, luxury innovations, and boundary-pushing design. Today, we're diving into something big, literally. The 2025 BYD Yangwang U8L, an extended version of BYD's ultra-premium electric SUV, has officially been unveiled, and it's turning heads across the globe. Let's break down everything you need to know about this luxury powerhouse. Design and presence: longer, bolder, smarter. Visually, the U8L commands serious attention. Building on the already imposing presence of the original U8, the L version stretches the body to accommodate even more interior space, comfort, and style. Its elongated rear quarters and stretched wheelbase hint at its high-end intentions. Think Range Rover luxury with a tech-focused twist. Aerodynamic efficiency meets bold LED lighting, flush door handles, and a grille that mixes elegance with futuristic aggression. Interior luxury: first class on four wheels. Inside, the U8L delivers what you'd expect from a premium EV: plush, sustainable materials, expansive digital displays, and comfort for all three rows. It's a genuine full-size SUV experience. The rear seats are where the L version truly shines, offering limousine-style features like individual captain's chairs, massagers, and a fully digital rear command center. BYD is clearly aiming to compete with top-shelf players like Mercedes-Maybach and BMW iX. Tech and innovation, DiPilot and more. The U8L comes packed with BYD's cutting-edge DiPilot autonomous driving suite, utilizing LiDAR, HD cameras, and radar for intelligent driving and parking. A massive 12.8-inch OLED central screen, our head-up display, and seamless smartphone integration all create an immersive cabin experience. With OTA updates, the tech evolves with you. Performance: not just a pretty face. Don't let the luxury fool you, this beast can move. The U8L uses BYD's E-platform, featuring quad electric motors delivering over 1,100 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km/h time of around 3.5 seconds. It's shockingly quick for a vehicle this size. Add to that tank turn capability and water weighting up to 1 meter, and you've got a vehicle that's as adventurous as it is elegant. Battery and range: big power, bigger distance. BYD's Blade battery returns in the U8L, boasting exceptional safety, longevity, and thermal efficiency. With a massive battery pack, the U8L offers a real-world range of over 700 kilometers, making it ideal for long-haul luxury travel. Fast charging support ensures you're always road-ready. Conclusion: a new luxury benchmark? The 2025 BYD Yangwang U8L isn't just another electric SUV, it's a bold statement. BYD is redefining what it means to be premium, electric, and innovative. If you're looking for the future of luxury mobility, the U8L may be your first-class ticket. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more high-voltage updates right here on Bike Beats. See you in the next ride.